Now let us start with the another half of the second model, that is the mounting system. We know very well that PVC model or array has to be mounted properly, and there are different type of mounting systems. The first comes the mounting system is the ground roof mounting system. In the roof mounting system, whatever particularly in houses or small areas or small buildings, or maybe some bigger building also, it is mounted on the roof. The second, it is a ground mounted system, where you can see the installation of a PV array is in is installed in the large areas, like fields. It is installed, it is a ground, it is installed, and the farmhouse it is installed. So the installation should be very well, because what happened, the efficiency or power affects the power efficiency affects due to the installation or no mounting. So you have to suitably you have to check it for which is the best one, and you have to even see which the safety issues around that one. So there are many things are there. So the local installation has to be considered. We have to consider the specification of the specification or manual of the vendor or the person who has given, and you have to check whether which installation can be done, either it is a roof mounted or it is a ground mounted. So now in this roof mounting system, particularly it happens in the houses or small businesses, where the building is used and it is installed. But lot of care has to be taken when you install the PV arrays above the roof. You have to see that the gap between the roof and the PV model should be more, Be- because what happen when the heat has to escape, when the heat falls on the PV arrays or model, it also generate heat, and then the temperature nearby that area also increases. So when the temperature increases, that time the power efficiency decreases. So if there is a proper ventilation or a good ventilation, and when air is flowing and removing the heat, then that time the efficiency increases. So there are many method in doing this one, and the installation, particularly the guide or the manual, should be considered for this. So temperature, now if you see this one, this is a good ventilation. If you see this one, they have shown a diagram. The first one diagram, this has a good ventilation. Air can pass through the modules, and when air passes through the module, it removes the heat and the efficiency increases it, and the life of the PV model also increases. But if you see here, it is a quite different. The mounting scheme will is not permitting the flow of air, so it damages the life of the PV models. Its efficiency decreases. So it has to be installed properly. Saying it has to be installed properly, such that the ventilation should be there, the heat should be removed, and thus it increases the total performance. The another method in this one, the method is shown is a pitch roof mounting. In this pitch roof mounting, actually what happens, the PV model or array is installed above the roof. It is easy one and relatively inexpensive in this one. So the attachment is done above the roof, and there are many method in this one. A horizontal railing system it is used, and a bracelet it is used, and the model is placed on the railing using a model camp. By using this model camp, what happens, the PV model will be above the roof level. When it is above, for example, you can see this one. In this method, it will be above the roof level. When it goes above the roof level, that time the air can easily mm, pass through, or easily can pass through the solar panel inside, and where there will be a ventilation for ventilation, and the air can flow through this panel, which can remove the heat. This is very useful method. You can see this one. This is the one. You can see this panel. above the railing is there, model clamping they have done, and the gap between the roof and the panel you can see. This is another method. This is a clamp which they are using. This is a clamp model clamp it is used above that model clamp that panel is installed. In this one, pitch a roof mounting for tilted roof. You see there are different type of roof. One is a flat roof or a horizontal roof. Some roof are tilted, some are metal type, some are metal type. So different roofs are there, and the installation becomes very difficult because the panel, the installation panel PV model will be same for everyone, but the accessories which is used to install goes on changing, or it depends upon the manufacturer goes on changing. It varies in design and connecting. For example, if you see this one particularly tilted, this is a tilted roof. It is a complete tilted. For the tilted roof, a different type of accessories or modules are used which can be fixed. And we have to see that when we are been installing the particularly the tiles above the roof should not break, and it should be easily accessible. Pitched roof mount for metal roof. When we have a metal roof, that time it is very important. Care should be taken. It is the most risky one. So metal roof. What happen? Any of the when you are connecting, particularly the wire has to be taken care. If any wire comes in a contact with the metal roof, then it causes a lot of a problem. So it has to be taken care. The wire should not come in the contact. And when you are connecting a two dissimilar metal or clamps of the PV arrays, and when you are installing on the roof, you should check that the between the two dissimilar material should be used that should not cause any corrosion, and if corrosion causes damages the PV arrays as well as the roof. So corrosion or corrosion should be avoided or prevented by using can be used by rubber separator between the two dissimilar material. When you use a rubber between two dissimilar material, collision can be avoided. And you have to and the thing that it has to be inquired with the manufacturer regarding this. When you are installing on the metal roof, you have to get an inquiry, or you have to get all the information regarding that one. Some metal roof, what happened, the temperature will be more, there will be too much temperature, and that time when you install the PV arrays, more heat will be generated. It causes, it damages, or it reduces the efficiency of the panel. So care should be taken to give more ventilation, that the air can easily remove the heat of the model. And even in areas like where more waterfall is there, so there particularly like rusting or corrosion take places. So proper precaution and with the help of the manufacturer, things has to be sorted properly, or it has to be solved. And you can see this is a metal, particularly you can, if you see, if you are seeing this one, the roof the roof, it is a metal roof, and PV models are installed above the metal roof. So a lot of precaution is taken between the clamps and the roof. Rubber is used to avoid corrosion. The next is the rack mounted. It is a very important. It is a triangular shape. If you can see this one, it is made up of a triangular shape. It is a rack mounted, and here a separate arrangement has to be designed for the PV model. In this one, what happened? This one has to be very carefully done, and particularly the wind wind velocity has to be considered, because what happened, if the wind is more, then it will remove the PV models. So for designing this one, care has to be taken that wind velocity has to be properly studied, and it has to be designed. And this is, you can see another one here, this is there. This also they have designed it very well. This PV panel based on the design of the building they have done. We can see it. The next method, and which is very important, and it is now used daily, now it is using as a technology, or it is used everywhere in our the new that system they are using, it is building integrated system. This is building integrated photovoltaic system. It is becoming very popular, and it is used by many buildings, and it is a design in such a way. You can see this one particularly, this is a building integrated system. In a building, the particularly the roof it is made up of a made up of solar arrays. The tiles which you are getting, the roof you are getting, it is consist of a solar array tiles which is installed on the roof. Some are installed at the windows panel, it is installed at the door also. So this, they are integrating this all things in the building itself. So whatever happen when they integrate this one in the building, that time automatically there is a no risk, there is a no risk, there is a no risk, and the production and the generation of electricity take places without any without too much maintenance, and no ventilation also is required. It is designed in such a way that ventilation is given, and even the power efficiency increases in this one. So it is a made up of a tiles. If you can see this one particularly, this is, it is a made up of tiles. Here you can see the roof, but this solar arrays is directly installed in the parking, directly installed in this parking. And even in this one, this is the tiles, particularly tiles, solar tiles on the complete roof, and the roof side a solar tiles are placed above on the roof. So so that time there's no problem for ventilation, and any wind causing problem also it is reduced, that also it is reduced. And then here also you can see this one particularly tiles lamination, it is called as a amorphous laminating, installed on metal roofing. Metal roofing, it is installed on that one. That time on the roof it is installed properly. That tiles, it is amorphous, made up of one material. It is coming in the tiles itself. If you, no need of putting a slab, if you put that one only, it starts producing, generating electricity. Ground mounting system is very important, and it is used where there is a land is more, land is more plenty of land is available. It is used for large production also. Here what happen, one disadvantage is there, when you place it on the ground, you get lot of energy. The more energy can be obtained from this one if you place in the ground. There is no required for tiltation also. If you directly place on the ground, that it absorbs the sun rays from depending upon the movement of sun, whatever the movement of the sun, easily it absorbs the radiation. But whereas if you see in the roof system, it is a quite different, it is a quite different tiltation also. And the movement of the power, the efficiency or power of the solar reduces there. Now here what happens, certain care has to be taken when you are installing on the ground. Here here the changes is there. Here the changes what happen, when you are installing on the ground, the trenches has to be done. You have to see that the water, no water should flow, no water should be flowing on this one, and the cost, extra cost should be given. And for this one what happen, particularly there should not be any cables, electrical cable passing, any electrical or telecommunication cable, water service cable pipe should not be passing through that particularly area. And you have to check out for this one, and the land should be clear from all those things. And after doing that one, a fencing should be done, and a person to take care also should be appointed. So, and many for and the cameras also has to be installed. So cost the cost when it comes to the ground mounting system, the cost increases. The next method is a ground rack mounting method. In this method, if you see, uh, this is allows a flexibility in orientation and tilting. If you see, this is the ground rack mounting method. In this method, what happen, different type of models, accessories, foundations has to be done, a civil work of foundation has to be done. Upon that one, accessories like many accessories comes, and then it is installed properly. It is installed properly, and it has to be seen that the installation should be done properly. Here you can see another installation. In this installation, if a grass is low, then it is good. If it increases, then it affects the efficiency also. So aluminum array frame is made. It is a mounted on the foundation. Clamps are used, nut bolts are used for this one, and large it is used in this one. So you can see this one particularly in this, and you have to be very careful regarding the installation of this particularly models. What happens when you are lifting the model, that time a shade will fall on another another next model, so there should be a certain distance between the two models when you are installing. So care has to be taken that shade should not fall on that one, and properly it should be designed. A gap has to be maintained properly, and the maintenance has to be done at the right time. The next is the pole mounting. In this pole mounting, you can see it doesn't require so much models, and it can be tilted in any direction and kept for a longer period part of the year. So this is a pole mounted. Particularly, if you see, this is a pyramid style pole mounted, which uses a sun tracking system. Okay, sun tracking system means it can the movement take places. It can rotate in any direction. Sun tracking system. In the sun's tracking system, it consists of mechanism part which moves along with the direction of the sun in this one, and it absorbs more power over the long period of the time. It is also very expensive, and there are in this one it uses tracking system with the sensors and a computer which calculate the position of the sun and moves with the help of the motor and the gear. There are mainly two types in this: single axis tracker and dual axis tracker. In the single axis tracker, what happens? The solar module moves from east to west in the path of the sun, whereas a dual axis tracker also uses two paths, single axis as well as dual passes. It moves from east. It moves from east to west, but also it changes its altitude. It changes its direction depending upon the movement of the sun in different seasons. The main disadvantage of this system is that it is having many moving parts. The maintenance cost also changes here, and the maintenance becomes more, and it is very risky, and it is also risky that mechanical failure take places mechanical take failure take places. There you can see the sun tracking system. This is the sun tracking system. The array rotates throughout the day to face the sun. Okay, the movement take place, it rotates as per the direction of the sun. This is tracking hardware can be seen on the back side of that one. Tracking, that is back side of the array. You can see the back side of the array, particularly this back side. Okay, wind load is very important. Wherever you are installing a PV array or model, the wind velocity has to be measured, and the wind force velocity has to be measured properly. What happens when there is a less or more wind? It uplift the model. It will lift upward, or it make a lateral stress on the model. So strong wind plays very important role. So the designing of the PV model accessory should be very good, and it should be able to withstand. So it should be able to withstand throughout the year. So data has to be collected properly. Data has to be collected properly of the wind, and based on that one, it the panel has to be installed properly, designing has to be done properly. So the in order to minimize the wind load.